Hello guys, this is part 2 of a video that gives you instructions on how to make accessories for Baby Alive Real As Can Be babies. So if you have never owned a robotic doll before, you have no accessories for any robotic doll at all, you can actually make accessories for this type of doll. This is because this doll does not have a magnet in its mouth, so it is very easy to make accessories for these dolls. There are only two interactive accessories: the dummy and the bottle. So I'm going to show you how to make your own bottle for these dolls. This is a bottle I got from a hair dye pack that I bought. I bought the hair dye pack, £1 from Poundland, which is, in America, it would be a dollar shop. And this is the developer bottle. So what I did, after using the hair dye, I soaked this in some washing up liquid to get rid of the black stains in it. Washed it all out, and then I have used this as a backup bottle for any of my interactive dolls that don't use a magnet. So I'll just demonstrate to you how you can use this bottle to feed your Baby Alive Real As Can Be. I'm not putting any magnets in. The lid does come off, and as you can see, there are no magnets in it. All we have to do is see to it that the tip here presses down on the button that's in their mouth. Once it presses down on that button, the baby will suck the bottle. Martine, would you like a bottle? Would you like a bottle? Okay, you want something to drink? Okay, Martine, let's give you something to drink, baby girl. Here you go. Good girl. And as you can see, she's blinking. Blinking means that she's eating. She's drinking from her bottle. When she eats or drinks, her eyes will blink and you'll hear sucking sounds. That was lovely, wasn't it, Martine? Yeah, you like that. Do you want some more? Okay, let's give you some more, baby girl. Yes, good girl. That was lovely, wasn't it? The next accessory that you'll need is the dummy. The dummy works exactly the same as the bottle. So this is the original dummy. You put it in her mouth, and then you have to press it. You have to hold her head and press it, and she will start sucking. You liked that, didn't you? Yeah, that was lovely. Yeah. Now, do you want to try the dummy that I made, Martine? Yeah, you're ready to try that one? Okay. This is the homemade dummy. So I bought a pack of dummies. This is called a pacifier in America. Here in England, it's called a dummy. So I bought 3 for £1 in the pound shop. And the pacifier had a normal baby teat. I cut off the teat because the teat is too soft. It's too soft to connect to the button in her mouth. So I cut off the teat here. And then I bought a pen from a shop called Tiger. This is the pen. I originally bought this as a rattle for my Baby Alive Sweet Tears because she can hold this pen and shake it. But guess what? this pen has a lid, and guess what? This is the lid, the cover to this pen. So I took off the lid, I sprayed glue all around here, I stuck the lid on, the pen cover, stuck it, pressed it, held it there for about 5-10 minutes. Then I left it overnight to dry. In the morning, it sticks. I actually made this for my Miracle Moves baby, but I found out that it works on these baby dolls because it is pointed enough to reach the back of their mouth and press against the button. So I'll just show you how it works. Martine, do you want to try the homemade dummy? Okay then, girl, you said yes. Okay, let's go for it. Yeah, you're a good girl, aren't you? Here you go. You like that, don't you, Martine? Yes, you like that. Can you hear her sucking it? So guys, you might notice that the dummy didn't go all the way in her mouth because it's much longer than her usual one. So what you can do is just snip it at the top here so that it's no longer than her original one. Just snip it and test it out. Yeah, if you snip it, it will fit snugly in her mouth. So what you're looking for is a pointed object such as a pen cover. Buy a cheap pacifier from your local dollar shop or pound shop and just cut off the teat. Put this on there, leave it to dry overnight, and you've got your dummy for your baby alive real as can be, which has cost you in total about £2, which is probably £2. Well, it's $2.50. So I spent £1 on the pen and I spent £1 on the pacifier. Now that is a cheap way to make accessories. Wouldn't you agree? So thank you so much for watching this video. If you have any comments, do write them below. Any comments about how you have sourced accessories for your dolls, or whether you found this video useful. Also, if you like this video, click like and also subscribe. Thank you. Martine, say goodbye. Say goodbye, baby girl. Bye bye. Good girl.